If I had it to do again, I'd still chase the same dreams, even knowing some would break and some would never be. I'd still take the long way home on those summer nights, and I'd still fall in love with the same pair of eyes. I'd still work too hard and sleep too little some days. I'd still say the wrong things in all the wrong ways, but I'd hold my children tighter when they were small, and I'd tell my daddy I love you before he was gone. If I had it to do again, I wouldn't change a thing. Not the heartbreaks, not the victories, not the songs I used to sing. Every scar and every blessing brought me right here to this place. If I had it to do again, I'd still choose this life I made. I'd still drive too fast down those old back roads, and I'd still stop and help a stranger carry his load. I'd still believe in second chances and in grace, even when this world tried to take it all away. If I had it to do again, I wouldn't change a thing. Not the heartbreaks, not the victories, not the songs I used to sing. Every scar and every blessing brought me right here to this place. If I had it to do again, I'd still choose this life I made. There are things I wish I'd said and things I wish I'd done, but looking back I see the man I've become, and I'm proud of who I am standing here today. So if I had it to do again, I'd do it all the same way. If I had it to do again, I wouldn't change a thing. I'd still give my heart, I'd still learn to sing through the fire and the flood, through the joy and through the pain. If choose this life I made. Yeah, I'd still choose this life again and again.